Hey, what is going on? Thanks for checking out my video here. So today I'm doing something to this Silverado 2012 Silverado pickup. It is my son's pickup, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. I got this thing up on ramps. This is the next best thing to a lift, right? So anyway, I'm going to show you what I got here. I'm going to be working on, if I can get under here. See that? Nice, huh? So, yeah, he's welded on this before, and it's rusted out. This is an aftermarket exhaust, and it is, welded up there. And it is leaking like crazy. Let's see if I can, see that? Not good, right? So it's pretty much all rusted out. It's rusted out up here. It's pretty much crap these days. So what we got is a whole new exhaust system, and this is made to go on this truck. It's a 2012 Silverado. It is the Flowmaster 44 series, and we are gonna try and fucking put this up onto there. I am not a muffler guy. I haven't done many mufflers in my day. Mostly glass packs and clamps. It came with a bunch of clamps here. We'll see what we do with all those. And looky there, nice, right? Chrome tips for the end. He's got the chrome tips back here. They're not chrome anymore. They're rusty, basically. If we have to weld it, I got this old, the old Chicago Electric Harbor Freight flux core wire welder. This is the 90 amp. This is the older one. I mean, it's not too old, but I think the one they got out these days is a 125. It does okay. And if we have to weld it, I'll show you when I weld it. So anyway, that is my project, and I'll take videos as we go along. I hope I can get it done right. He's gonna come help me here later on, so we'll see what we can do. Bye.
Here where they welded it on, or?
So, guess you showed up. The boss.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't gotten shit done. He's under there checking everything out. And we're going to use this, I don't have a torch. So we're going to use this grinder with the cutoff wheel. And we're going to just cut that off up there, right where that pipe connects. It's welded on there, so we're going to try and cut that off with the grinder. So we're going to get out of here, finally. Alright, so he wants to get a before and after sound video here. So here's the before. Pretty rattly. So yeah, that's before. You can hear the exhaust rattle and leak. So anyway, we're gonna go start cutting. Alright, so we got the muffler cut off, and there was a part of the muffler still, in the tailpipe there, and we're trying to get that out. We got an air chisel. Now we're trying to pry it out. So we'll see how that goes. What a pain in the butt, right? Alright, so we got a straight pipe here. We're going to start it up and see what it sounds like with no muffler. Okay, go ahead. Sure that is right, we're gonna go ahead and put the muffler together here. We got, we had things laid out here. So here's the muffler, the new one, and the old. We had to cut those off there with the grinding or the cut off tool to get these out. They got these hangers on there. We'll probably have to put those hangers back on. Maybe weld those on here so they go in the stock hangers. And I think that'll probably be the best way to go. So anyway, on to the next step. We're having to weld instead of using all those clamps. Clamps weren't working very good.
Do what?
So Matthew's under here welding. He is an expert welder, and he's getting it all good. Kind of see what we got there so far. Doesn't look pretty, but I think it's going to be solid and tight. So if not, we'll keep welding at it. So our little Harbor Freight welder is coming in handy, doing the job. All right, so we've got the muffler welded up under there, you can see. And we also welded, actually Matthew did, he welded these two pipes together. They came, on as individual pipes, and then we had to either clamp them or weld them. It's just a hell of a lot easier to weld them, I guess, at this point, because the clamps didn't seem to be working like they should. Anyway, so we're going to put those underneath there. I got the hangers off of the old exhaust. See, there's a hanger there. Put them under there and kind of mark where the hangers go. Mark where, put the exhaust tips on there, the chrome exhaust tips. Mark where they go. And then we'll probably pull these pipes back out again and weld the exhaust tips on there. So that is our status. So we're pretty much welding everything. You can kind of see under there he's welding the pipe to the muffler. You can see in there. He's going to be an expert welder when we're all done. Mm-hmm. So, my little Harbor Freight welder's getting a workout. And it's holding up good so far. So, I'll keep welding. Alright, so we're all done. And we got the supervisor here. Making sure everything's good. The supervisor dog over there. See him? Got it. Okay. We're going to start it up here, see what it sounds like. Okay, go. Sounds good. Little rattle, I think it's the hanger under there, but we'll fix that. All right. Hey guys, so I wanted to kind of show you the finished welds on these. It's been a couple weeks and he's driven it some, and I'm trying to, check these out under here. See what they look like. I'm thinking he's got maybe a little leak there, but for just El Cheapo Harbor Freight Welder, it did its job. I don't think it's bad. And here's the pipes to go in the back there. You kind of see that that weld there, that weld up there. So anyway, we did the best we could. I'm going to take you around here. The tip. Get the tip welded up there. It's not pretty, He missed up here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all the welds here. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, we got it done. The pipes kind of tilt down just a little bit. That sounds good. So we got it done. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it.